Join us at Los Angeles Tech Week 2024 as we dive into the vibrant world of LA tech enthusiasts at our exciting events. In this video, you'll get an insider's look at the latest innovations, trends, and networking opportunities that are shaping the tech landscape. Meet industry leaders, discover groundbreaking startups, and hear from top-notch speakers who are redefining the future of technology. Whether you're a tech professional, entrepreneur, or simply a tech enthusiast, this event is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from Tech Week 2024 and other exciting tech events. Our event is a part of Tech Week, a week of events hosted by VCs and startups to bring together the tech ecosystem. Join me as I take on the challenge of networking with the brightest minds in LA Tech during Tech Week 2024. LA Tech Week 2024 is one of the most anticipated events in the tech calendar, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. This week of tech, blockchain and AI events, in particular, holds a special significance as it brings together the tech community of Los Angeles, creating a unique opportunity for innovation, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. In Los Angeles, tech professionals often face intense competition, innovation pressures, and the constant need to stay ahead of the curve. It can be overwhelming, to say the least. With the rapid pace of technological advancements, it's easy to get caught up in the noise and lose sight of what really matters. That's why events like LA Tech Week are crucial in fostering a sense of community and providing a platform for meaningful connections. The competition can be ruthless, and it's not uncommon to see startups and established players alike fighting for attention and funding. However, despite the challenges, I believe that innovation and progress thrive in these environments. The energy is palpable, and the excitement leading up to LA Tech Week is infectious. When you bring together people who are passionate about solving real-world problems, the results can be truly remarkable. In the midst of all this chaos, collaboration is key. By working together, sharing knowledge, and learning from each other's experiences, we can create something truly remarkable. That's what drew me to LA Tech Week, the chance to connect with like-minded individuals who share my passion for tech and innovation. The week boasts an impressive lineup of sessions, speakers, and networking opportunities that cater to a wide range of interests and expertise. From AI and machine learning to cybersecurity and fintech, there's something for everyone. I am particularly excited to hear about the industry leaders and pioneers who are expected to attend, and will discuss how they are shaping the future of tech. I'm also looking forward to their insights and experiences, as they will provide a unique perspective on the current state of the industry and where it's headed. We expect many standout sessions and panel discussions on the future of blockchain, AI and tech, featuring experts from around the globe coming to LA for Tech Week. The conversations will be lively, with panelists debating the role of automation, the skills gap, and the need for continuous learning in the tech industry. Get ready for a great level of engagement, and the willingness of attendees to ask tough questions and challenge the status quo. Another highlight is the great networking opportunities with renowned AI researchers as they share their thoughts on the ethics of AI development. I can't wait to hear the passion and dedication of creating responsible AI solutions to help people feel motivated to explore more about this critical topic. I expect exciting moments during the week, like announcements of new partnerships and more. Events like this inspire collaboration and aim to develop innovative solutions. The potential of collaboration and initiative showcases the excitement that surrounds LA Tech Week 2024. The excitement is palpable as the details of the Tech Week are revealed, and I feel proud to be a part of this community. It's moments like these that remind us of the power of tech to drive positive change and create a better future for all. What will be your favorite moment from Tech Week 2024? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech insights and behind-the-scenes peeks into the world of tech and innovation, and please leave a message in the comments below.